Hello and welcome to our website where you can get registered for one of our 2-hour real estate trainings that's coming up right here in your backyard in Houston, Texas. Now, the Prosperity Group is a Houston, Texas-based company training Houston, Texas people how to invest here in Houston, Texas. Kind of makes sense. We've made it very easy for you to register. Simply click on one of the dates and times that's best for you and your guest if you choose to bring one, and fill in your information. I will tell you should do this immediately. Do not put this off, and here's why. Our seats are very limited, and once they are full, they are full. We're looking for people who are qualified, that are committed, that are dedicated, that are serious about changing their financial future. We're even looking for people to partner with us, and I'll share with you at the event how you can partner with us on real estate deals. At the event, we'll share with you a complete system, A to Z, how to buy and sell real estate without needing a real estate license, without needing any money, or without needing and using any of your own credit. This is a great opportunity for you to go change your financial future and become one of our success students here at the Prosperity Group. I look forward to helping you at the event, share with you our strategies, our successes, our student successes, and how you can also tap into this amazing real estate market. Go ahead and register right now, and we'll show you at the 2-hour training exactly how you can do what hundreds of people that we've trained are doing right now in the Houston area, and that is take charge of your financial future so that you and your family can live an abundant life and lifestyle. Go click on the date and time right now, and I'll see you real soon. Take care.